slip of a reciprocating pump is negative when A. Suction pipe is short and pump is running at low speeds. B. Delivery pipe is long and pump is running at high speeds. C. Suction pipe is short and delivery pipe is long and the pump is running at low speeds. D. Suction pipe is long and delivery pipe is short and the pump is running at high speeds. The correct answer is suction pipe is long and delivery pipe is short and the pump is running at high speeds. Which of the following is not an impulse turbine? A. Geyrat turbine. B. Turgot turbine. C. Pelton wheel. D. Kaplan turbine. The correct answer is Kaplan turbine. A hydraulic accumulator is a device used to store energy which may be supplied to a machine later on. A. Strain. B. Pressure. C. Kinetic. D. The correct answer is pressure. The Ferneron turbine is reaction turbine. A. An axial flow. B. An inward flow. C. An outward flow. D. A mixed flow. The correct answer is an outward flow. The discharge through a turbine is A. Directly proportional to H12. B. Inversely proportional to H12. C. Directly proportional to H32. D. Inversely proportional to H32. The correct answer is directly proportional to H12. Which of the following pump is successfully used for lifting water to the boilers? A. Centrifugal pump. B. Reciprocating pump. C. Jet pump. D. Airlift pump. The correct answer is jet pump. The efficiency of a reaction turbine for a given head with the increase in speed. A. Decreases. B. Increases. C. D. The correct answer is decreases. In an impulse turbine, the pressure of water both at entering and leaving the vanes is atmospheric. A. Agree. B. Disagree. C. D. The correct answer is agree. Which of the following pump is successfully used for lifting water from deep wells? A. Centrifugal pump. B. Reciprocating pump. C. Jet pump. D. Airlift pump. The correct answer is airlift pump. The Thomson's turbine is reaction turbine. A. An axial flow. B. An inward flow. C. An outward flow. D. A mixed flow. The correct answer is an inward flow. Manometric head is the actual head of water against which a centrifugal pump has to work. A. Correct. B. Incorrect. C. D. The correct answer is correct. The hydraulic efficiency of an impulse turbine is the A. Ratio of the actual power produced by the turbine to the energy actually supplied by the turbine. B. Ratio of the actual work available at the turbine to the energy imparted to the wheel. C. Ratio of the work done on the wheel to the energy of the jet. D. None of the above. The correct answer is ratio of the work done on the wheel to the energy of the jet. The overall efficiency for a Pelton wheel lies between A. 0.50 to 0.65, B. 0.65 to 0.75, C. 0.75 to 0.85, D. 0.85 to 0.90. The correct answer is 0.85 to 0.90. Which of the following statement is wrong? Other reaction turbines are used for low head and high discharge. B. The angle of taper on draft tube is less than 8. C. An impulse turbine is generally fitted slightly above the tail race. D. A Francis turbine is an impulse turbine. The correct answer is A Francis turbine is an impulse turbine. Which of the following statement is correct as regard to water wheels? A. They have slow speeds. B. They are suitable even for low water heads. C. They give constant efficiency even if the discharge is not constant. D. All of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. Braking jet in an impulse turbine is used: A. To brake the jet of water. B. To bring the runner to rest in a short time. C. To change the direction of runner. D. None of these. The correct answer is to bring the runner to rest in a short time. Head developed by a centrifugal pump is: A. Proportional to diameter of impeller. B. Proportional to speed of impeller. C. Proportional to diameter and speed of impeller. D. None of the above. The correct answer is proportional to diameter and speed of impeller. The ratio of the normal force of jet of water on a plate inclined at an angle of 30 as compared to that when the plate is normal to jet is: A. 1:2, B. 1:2, C. 1, D. 2. The correct answer is 1:2. A reciprocating pump is also called a displacement pump: A. Positive, B. Negative, C, D. The correct answer is positive. The head available at the inlet of the turbine is known as net or effective head: A. Correct, B. Incorrect, C, D. The correct answer is correct. The air vessel in a reciprocating pump is a cast iron closed chamber having an opening at its base: A. Agree, B. Disagree, C, D. The correct answer is agree. A double overhung Pelton wheel has: A. 2 jets, B. 2 runners, C. 4 jets, D. 4 runners. The correct answer is 2 runners. Which of the following hydraulic unit is used for transmitting increased or decreased torque to the driven shaft? A. Hydraulic ram, B. Hydraulic intensifier, C. Hydraulic torque converter, D. Hydraulic accumulator. The correct answer is hydraulic torque converter. In a reaction turbine, the water enters the wheel under pressure and flows over the vanes: A. Correct, B. Incorrect, C, D. The correct answer is correct. If the ratio of all the corresponding linear dimensions are equal, then the model and the prototype are said to have: A. Geometric similarity, B. Kinematic similarity, C. Dynamic similarity, D. None of these. The correct answer is geometric similarity. The undershot water wheels are those in which: A. The wheel runs entirely by the weight of water, B. The wheel runs entirely by the impulse of water, C. The wheel runs partly by the weight of water and partly by the impulse of water, D. None of the above. The correct answer is the wheel runs entirely by the impulse of water. A turbine is required to develop 1,500 kilowatts at 300 rpm under a head of 150 m. Which of the following turbine should be used? A. Pelton wheel with 1 nozzle, B. Pelton wheel with 2 or more nozzles, C. Kaplan turbine, D. Francis turbine. The correct answer is Pelton wheel with 1 nozzle. Which of the following pump is suitable for small discharge and high heads? A. Centrifugal pump, B. Axial flow pump, C. Mixed flow pump, D. Reciprocating pump. The correct answer is reciprocating pump. The gross or total head of the turbine is the of the water levels at the head race and tail race: A. Sum, B. Difference, C. Product, D. The correct answer is difference. The specific speed of a centrifugal pump may be defined as the speed of an imaginary pump identical with the given pump, which will discharge 1 liter of water while it is being raised through a head of 1 meter. A. True, B. False, C, D. The correct answer is true. In an outward flow reaction turbine, A. The water flows parallel to the axis of the wheel. B. The water enters at the center of the wheel and then flows towards the outer periphery of the wheel. C. The water enters the wheel at the outer periphery and then flows towards the center of the wheel. D. The flow of water is partly radial and partly axial. The correct answer is the water enters at the center of the wheel and then flows towards the outer periphery of the wheel. A hydraulic press is a device used A. to store pressure energy which may be supplied to a machine later on. B. to increase the intensity of pressure of water by means of energy available from a large quantity of water at a low pressure. C. to lift larger load by the application of a comparatively much smaller force. D. all of the above. The correct answer is to lift larger load by the application of a comparatively much smaller force. The flow ratio in case of Francis turbine varies from A. 0.15 to 0.3, B. 0.4 to 0.5, C. 0.6 to 0.9, D. 1 to 1.5. The correct answer is 0.15 to 0.3. Which of the following turbine is preferred for a specific speed of 60 to 300 rpm? A. Pelton wheel, B. Francis turbine, C. Kaplan turbine, D. none of these. The correct answer is Francis turbine. The function of guide vanes in a reaction turbine is to A. allow the water to enter the runner without shock, B. allow the water to flow over them without forming eddies, C. allow the required quantity of water to enter the turbine, D. all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. Which of the following statement is correct? A. In an impulse turbine the water impinges on the buckets with pressure energy. B. In a reaction turbine the water glides over the moving vanes with kinetic energy. C. In an impulse turbine the pressure of the flowing water remains unchanged and is equal to atmospheric pressure. D. In a reaction turbine the pressure of the flowing water increases after gliding over the vanes. The correct answer is in an impulse turbine the pressure of the flowing water remains unchanged and is equal to atmospheric pressure. If the ratio of corresponding velocities at corresponding points are equal then the model and the prototype are said to have dynamic similarity. A. correct, B. incorrect, C, D. The correct answer is incorrect. The jet ratio is defined as the ratio of the A. diameter of jet to the diameter of Pelton wheel, B. velocity of jet to the velocity of Pelton wheel, C. diameter of Pelton wheel to the diameter of jet, D. velocity of Pelton wheel to the velocity of jet. The correct answer is diameter of Pelton wheel to the diameter of jet. Mechanical efficiency of a centrifugal pump is the ratio of A. energy available at the impeller to the energy supplied to the pump by the prime mover, B. actual work done by the pump to the energy supplied to the pump by the prime mover, C. energy supplied to the pump to the energy available at the impeller, D. manometric head to the energy supplied by the impeller per kN of water. The correct answer is energy available at the impeller to the energy supplied to the pump by the prime mover. The cavitation in a hydraulic machine is mainly due to A. low velocity, B. high velocity, C. low pressure, D. high pressure. The correct answer is low pressure. In a centrifugal pump the regulating valve is provided on the A. casing, B. delivery pipe, C. suction pipe, D. impeller. The correct answer is delivery pipe. A. Francis turbine is an outward flow reaction turbine. A. true, B. false, C, D. The correct answer is false.